Okay, okay, that's fine. Because I assume that you already was there following this program approximately 3 weeks, yeah, or 4 weeks, one month, yeah. Just already 1 month, yeah. 1 month, yeah. Okay. All right. So this is applicable. All right. So right now I want you to search three vocabulary that maybe your friends might not know, yeah, about the vocabulary. Yeah, I believe that each of you sometime write a new vocabulary, right? New vocabulary, and then you have to guess which three verb that maybe your friends doesn't know the meaning of it. Okay, and then after that, after you found the three vocabularies, try to explain in English. Yeah, for example, I give you a vintage. This is a new vocabulary, right? Vintage. You can say old fashioned, yeah, or outdated, yeah. Then try to make your friends understand about the new vocabularies. Understand? All of you? Who doesn't understand? Raise your hand. So the instruction clear? Clear? Okay. So I give you 2 minutes. Find three vocabularies that your friend don't know. Come on. No. From your notes, not from the dictionary. From the notes only. Yeah. Your notes. Your notes. Okay. Your own notes. Yeah. Come on.
Do you know the word? Do you know?
No. I give you 2 minutes first. Preparation. 2 minutes preparation. Fine. Three vocabulary. Okay. Please. Ask if you don't understand. Yeah. Ask me if you don't understand the instruction. You understand? You understand? Okay. Please. Three. Yeah. And then if your friends talk in bahasa, tell me. Okay. I'm gonna give him 5 fingers of order. Okay. Directly.
Can we use idiom?
No idiom. Only vocabulary. Verb. Only verb. Oh, you may, but you have to explain, yeah, the meaning of the idiom. Okay. That's fine. If your friend doesn't know, that's fine. No powder. Yeah, that's fine. This is the skill to explain, yeah, about what you want to deliver your thought. Please give me a way. Haikal, move a bit, move a bit. I wanna inspect the one that using bahasa. Inspect means searching. Please. Continue. Oh, that's my son. Verb only. Verb, idiom, or word, or noun. That's fine. Yeah, at least in English. Yeah, the vocabulary in English. Thirty second left. Do you speak Arabic? Are you speak Arabic? No. Oh, okay. Safe. You are safe. You are safe. Where are you from? Toilet. Okay. Don't speak bahasa ya, or Arabic. Okay, time's up. Okay. So you have to find another partner, different partner, not in the first section. Yeah, different partner. Come on. With different partner. Come on. Try to explain again. Find your partner. Where's your partner? Here you go. Asad. You can with Novan. Nahwa. Here. Nahwa. Okay, start. I give you 3 minutes, one. Explain, yeah. First of all, you have to mention what the vocabulary, and then if your friend know about the vocabulary, yeah, skip to the other vocabulary, okay? Yeah, and then take turn. After you ask him, take turn, yeah. I give you 3 minutes. Okay, ask him about, do you know about the meaning of this word? Or if your friend say no, skip to the other vocabulary, okay? Understand? With English. No. When your friend know about the vocabulary, skip to the other vocabulary. Yeah, you understand? Okay. So no one can speak Bahasa or Arabic in here. Okay. Anything with English. Yeah. Guys, pay attention for a moment, please. So, because this is the time that you should to speak English, right? Now speak Bahasa, right? And then if you don't want if you maybe didn't know the meaning of in English, you just write it in your book, and after this section is over, so you ask me directly, okay? Yeah. Keep going. Come on. Huh? No. You just write it down in your book. I'm not gonna. You cannot ask me about the English or the meaning of this one. Yeah. Okay, you understand me? You can ask me after the class is over. Class is finished. Understand? After this class is finished, you can ask me what the English of what. Yeah. But right now, if you don't know about the meaning of the maybe the Bahasa or the English, just write it down in your book. Okay? Understand? You cannot speak Bahasa. Even though you don't know, you want to ask me about the vocabulary, you cannot speak in Bahasa. Yeah, understand? Yeah. No. So the point is, you cannot speak Bahasa. That's all. Cannot speak Bahasa. Yeah, come on. Keep going. No, what's the again spell in English also? Letter English ya. Hangga. Ya. Latin bahasa. Yeah, keep going, keep going. That's fine. Try. As can as you can. Yeah. Finish. Finish. Not yet. He doesn't know. Yeah. Are you understand? Do you understand with the instruction or not? Do you understand? Understand with the instruction or not? Don't speak bahasa. I'm gonna give you powder. Little. Yeah. So that now, yeah. Ask your friend about the vocabulary. For example, I ask you, do you know the meaning of vintage? You know the meaning of vintage? If your friend know, skip. Try to search the other vocabulary. Yeah. For example, do you know the meaning of recognize? You know the meaning of recognize? Recognize. If you don't know, just say I don't know. You know? If your friend say, oh, I don't know, so you try to explain the meaning. Oh, the meaning of recognize is you know something. Understand? Okay. So start right now, please. Okay, time's up. Time's up. Take turn to the other person. Okay. Take turn. Come on, take turn.
Scholar is Islamic person, like scholar. Yes, scholar. Islamic teacher in the world. Maybe example Agama, yes.
Do you speak bahasa Arabic? Hah? Arabic. You speak Arabic. Okay, one powder. One powder. Come on, keep going, keep going. Give one powder. Give one powder to him. One.
But you know about everything.
Okay.
So outrageous is
Okay.
What the English?
You can ask me later on after the class is over. Okay. Later on. Okay. Yeah. Later on.
I
You don't know? You don't know the meaning of effort? Say, if you know, just say I know. Yeah. Don't pretend that you don't know. Yeah. Just say it. Yeah. If you know, just, and then you should to search the other word. Yeah. If your friends know the word, try to search the other word. Okay. Keep going.
If someone
Okay, guys, time's up. Please keep silent. Please, silent. Okay, silent. No, stay with your partner. I wanna ask this partner. Come on, stand up. What's the vocabulary? Mention one only. One vocabulary, and then explain. Come on, stand up. What was your vocabulary? Mention just only one, please. To your friend. Please pay attention to your friend here. Let's stand up. Pay attention to your friend. What's the verb again? The vocabulary? Conclusions. Okay. How you interpret the conclusions? How you explain the conclusion meaning in English?
in English.
Yeah. What was the conclusion mean?
Conclusion is we speak the tall speak.
The total? We use
Tall speak.
tall speak, long or length. Yeah, long.
Long speak in the first day, the second day, the third day. So very long. So in the end, we say the conclusion is we must be a smart person.
Please pay attention. I'm gonna ask you if you not pay attention to your friend here. What was the meaning of the conclusion again, Arun?
You can do it again.
No, you don't know. Okay, the one that cannot answer, I give you powder also, yeah. Okay, wait. Okay, conclusion. And what was your word again, Mr. Zaidan? What was your word again? Promise. Okay, so explain promise. What the meaning of promise? Louder. Do you hear him? No. Okay. Promise.
Just example, he said to me, He promised to call me.
Do you understand?
He promised me.
The meaning of promise. Promise means what?
Say,
Give him powder. Don't say bahasa. Give powder. Try explain in English. Yeah, please give him powder. This one. Anyone can explain promise meaning in English, please? Raise your hand. Explain. You know promise, right? Okay.
For example, you say
No example. I don't need example. Explanation.
I will give my younger siblings. I will give you car, toy car,
Okay.
car, and I promise I will give you in the next week.
Oh, so that's the example, right? So the explanation of promise, for example, like, so the agreement between you and your friends, for example, and then you make an agreement, and then you're gonna make it come true. So that's the meaning of promise, yeah. But that's fine. You can sit back again to your seat, and then you please stand up. Mention one word only. Okay. Start from you, Aziz. Come on, make it fast.
Occupation.
Occupation. So what is the meaning of occupation?
That question for me.
Yeah, the question for me, right? Occupations means like job, yeah. That's fine. You just mentioned the synonym. That's fine, yeah. When there's have a synonym, yeah, the synonym of occupation. So you mentioned occupation, not occupation. Occupation. Okay. So Noval, what's the meaning of occupation again? Oh, you're not to pay attention. Where's the powder? Give him powder, please. Okay. Yes. Give him powder, Lukman. Razib, what the meaning of occupation? He just explained it. Give him powder. Also, Nahwa, give him powder also. One finger only. You very enthusiastic, yeah? One finger. Okay, explain it again, Aziz. What the meaning of occupation? Louder, so your friend can hear your voice.
With synonym.
With synonym, okay. With explanation is okay also.
Synonym of the occupation is job.
Job. Do you know job? Job now? Okay. How about you? Sibian? Except. Okay. How you explain it? Except.
synonym.
Except.
Without.
Mhm. Do you know how you pronounce it again? Without. You know without? Okay. You may get back to your seat. Okay. Without. Okay. One more person. Keza and Al, please stand up. Pay attention, yeah. Please stand up. With synonymic explanation, that's fine. Come on, Al first.
Fraud. Fraud.
Do you hear him? Okay. What's that again?
Fraud.
Okay. Explain.
Fraud. When you buy something and then you don't get that, you don't get it.
Because you don't have money. Or what?
When you
Fraud mean, huh?
when you buy something,
Mm-hmm.
and then that something don't arrive
Arrive.
to you. Don't arrive to you.
Okay. Understand? Understand fraud? Yeah, because already there, yeah. Okay. Okay, you, Keza, please.
Huge.
Yeah. Please explain to your friend.
Synonym from big.
What's again?
Synonym from big.
Big or very big?
But it's very.
Very, very big. Understand? Arik, what the meaning of huge again?
Synonym for very.
Okay, very, very big. Okay. All right, that's fine. You may get back your seat, please. Okay. All right. So I'm gonna give you this new material. Please distribute it to your friend. One person get one paper. One make it fast. Please. One faster. Okay. Oh guys, please get back to your seat again and face to the front. I'm gonna explain it about this new material. Okay. All right. Don't worry, we have 10 minutes left. Yeah, it's not gonna be take long. All right, as you see in the paper, yeah, the very first of the title here, making a statement. Yeah, making a statement. Yeah, there's like several point here, A, B, C, and D. Yeah, so there's a 4 point. Yeah, 4 point. So I want you to choose one of each point there in the making of statement, and then try to memorize it. We can start with starting a new point. Yeah. So this is the phrase, very useful when you try to make a discussions, yeah, with your friends. For example, I would like to start by saying what. So this is like I already explained earlier that claim. You still remember? Do you still remember? Claim, explain, evidence, emphasize, and then conclusions. Yeah. So you may take a look at the A point here. Starting a new point means claim. Yeah. So you claim first about maybe the topic or the argument. Yeah. For example, the topic it's about media social. Yeah. And then the question is, do you agree that media social should be banned from the children under age, for example? And then you start to claim that, oh, I'm disagree. But instead of you just say disagree, you can say, I would like to start by saying, what's that? Your opinion, your claim, agree or disagree, okay? All right, maybe you understand or not, you're gonna understand it gradually. And then after that, after you give a claim, from here first, any questions, understand? Okay, so the comment is you should to memorize in the point A, but only one phrase, yeah, to starting saying something. Yeah, for example, I would like here's three variant, yeah, of starting a new point. You can memorize the first point, like I would like, repeat after me. You can say I would like or I'd like. Okay, understand? Repeat after me. I would like to start by saying. Come on. Okay. The main point I want to make is, first of all, we should look at. So you pronounce it first of all, not first of all, but first of all. First of all. Yeah. Okay, first of all. Okay. So you may choose one phrase of making starting point. Yeah. Okay, understand? There's 3 point right here. Just choose just one. Okay. Whether you want to choose the first one, the third one, the second one, that's up to you. And then take a look with point B, providing evidence of examples. Yeah, it means like you give an example, explanations, why you claim, why you agree, or why you disagree with your statement. For example, I agree. I would like to start by saying agree that social media should be banned from children under age. Yeah, and then we try to explain because it can damage their brain, their habitual, blah blah blah. Okay, and so on. Okay. All right. I want you to repeat after me. According to what I read. For instance, look at. Okay. So for instance, here same meaning or the synonym of example, but this is more. What's the again? Cooler or advanced. We can say cooler, advanced. The synonym of cooler, advanced. Yeah. In my experience, I found that. Okay. All right. This is the same in the B point. You also need to choose one phrase, and then after that you memorize. Yeah. So right now you should to memorize two phrases. Yeah. How to starting your statement and how to start to give an explanations. Okay. And then the C point here. The most important thing to consider is. It's clear that. I want to highlight the fact that. All right. This is also the same. You have to choose one phrase here, and then the conclusion here. Conclude your statement. There's a two phrase here. In short, my position is. That is why I think. Okay. All right. So, maybe any questions, guys? This is how you make a statement, yeah. Statement during your discussion and etc. Okay. So first of all, you have to making a statement, and after that, explanation or example. And after that, emphasize. Emphasize means you highlighting. What is the most important thing that you want to deliver your speech, for example, and then finally conclusion. Okay. So what's again? Your job, your task right now to memorize all of them, yeah. So you have to memorize 4 phrases, and then 1 phrases of each the point. Okay, you understand? Understand? Who didn't understand yet? Understand all of you? Okay, because we still have 5 minutes. Try to memorize right now. Come on, please. By yourself only. Memorize it.
I would like to start by saying
I'm sorry. Alright, thumbs up, guys. Thumbs up. Alright. Okay, so later on, after you already good at the price and memorizing the price all of them, yeah. So we gonna make a discussions maybe later on, maybe tomorrow after I make sure that all of you already know the structure, okay? The structure, because when you want a statement, when you state your statement during the discussions, don't take a long time, maybe 1 minute or 2 minutes, that's fine, yeah. But in a structure, right? In order or in a sequence, means like, oh, first of all, I have to claim first and then give an evidence and then or example or emphasize, yeah. And after that, conclusions. For example, like this. Maybe you already memorized, yeah, how to start, how to let's again start the opening this your statement. I would like, for example, I would like to start by saying I disagree social media for children underage and blah blah blah. You can add by yourself, okay? And then after that, you explain why. For example, you get the information from the article or based on your experience or after discussing. For example, based on my discussion or based on the article that I found, social media for children cause three things. For example, laziness, spread bad influence, and no time for study. That's all. And then after that, you have to jump to the another page, the another step, which is emphasize which one of these things that the most damaging for the children. For example, spread bad influence. So you just mention or explain this one. Yeah. The most important thing that I want to consider is the spreading bad influence for the children. Why? Blah 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 blah. There's like maybe 1 point or 2 point. That's enough. And after that, you have to conclude with only this thing. That's why I said that why social media was that not good for the children because it caused no time for study, laziness, spread bad influence. That's all. Okay. After that, maybe after you already know and already mastering how to state in English, how to discuss, we're gonna learn how to rebuttal, how to disagree with your friend's opinion, for example, because there's another phrase that teach you how to phrase the phrasing, yeah, to to state your disagreement, yeah, in a rebuttal. After that, after I make sure that you already can do it, we're gonna train with the new material in the section 2. Okay, understand? Any question? No question? So if you have free time, review and then try to memorize the phrases on how to start, because we're gonna discuss in every day in again till holiday, till comes your holiday. Any question before we close the section? No one question? No question?
Do we have a job?
Your job. Yeah, your job. If you have a free time, yeah, you can memorize the phrase here, the fourth phrase, yeah. So it can be implemented during the discussions later on. Okay. After you memorize it, it can be applied by yourself, yeah. So this is I'm not saying that must, but in the class you must to memorize this phrase, okay? Because yeah, you can discussion with your friend later on, yeah. So this is not an obligations, but I suggest you, okay? I suggest you to memorize if you have a free time, especially about the phrase to starting your opinion. The 4 point, yeah. Understand? Any question? Okay. So before we closing our section, alhamdulillah, please saying alhamdulillah together. Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin. Okay, let's pray together, guys. You can speak bahasa right now. Bahasa or Arabic, yeah, that's fine. Arabic or bahasa. If you wanna ask maybe the vocabulary that you don't know, maybe after pray ya. Setelah sholat boleh tanya. Misalkan tadi nulis nih, saya nggak tahu ini. Boleh nanti tanya habis sholat ya. Persiapan sholat. Ada bedak boleh dihapus dulu. Okay, thank you.